This compact two-burner Zarbaco Electric Cooktop delivers strong, radiant heat with multiple power levels, so everyday meals cook quickly and evenly without taking over your counter space. Its smooth ceramic glass surface looks refined in a modern kitchen and is easy to wipe clean after spills or splatters. The unit can sit on a countertop or be built into a cutout, and the simple plug-in setup makes it practical for apartments, dorms, or small secondary cooking stations. Thoughtful safety touches like a residual heat indicator and a child safety lock help reduce the risk of accidental burns in busy households. Because it is a radiant ceramic design rather than induction, it works with nearly any flat-bottom cookware you already own, from stainless steel to glass and ceramic. With no open flame and less ambient heat than a gas burner, it keeps the cooking area more comfortable while still providing responsive temperature control for simmering, frying, or boiling.